Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to print a pattern using nesting of for loops in Python. So let's go ahead. Guys, we are going to print this pattern. So now let me open up the Jupyter notebook. Guys, now we are going to print this pattern, and this pattern is similar to the previous pattern that we have done in the previous video. And if you have not seen that video, a link is coming up in the suggestion box, so you can watch it. Now guys, we are going to use nesting of loops, but here we will use another variable k, and I have initialized k by 1. Now let's use for loop for I in and here I am using two parameters 0 and I plus 1, and now I am going to print k here instead of g. And now guys, we need to increase k by 1, and now use print statement. And now guys, if I run this script, this is the output of this code. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.